You are listening to Jobs in Pods. Welcome to Jobs in Pods, the only podcast where you can hear real employers, leading recruiters, and staffing agencies talk about their jobs and tell you how to get them. I'm your host, Peter Clayton. This Jobcast features a group of opportunities at Lenovo, the fastest growing PC manufacturer in the world. Lenovo is known for the exceptional engineering that goes into its technology products and services, including the highly regarded ThinkPad notebook used in Mount Everest climbs and every space station mission. As a global company, Lenovo operates on 6 continents and sells products in 160 countries, with major hubs in China, Japan, and Raleigh, North Carolina. Lenovo currently has a number of opportunities within their global services group, which provides support across the entire product lifecycle, from procurement and installation to warranty, tech support, and recycling. Joining us today to discuss these jobs are 2 Lenovo executives, Peter Bartolotta, Senior Vice President of Worldwide Services, and Robert Gama, Executive Director of Human Resources. Welcome, Pete and Robert. Robert, what's it like to work at Lenovo?
Well, Peter, the best way I could describe it is a culture that's full of passion, energy, with a can and will do attitude. It's a culture that the best way is probably around the excitement of a startup, but truly the stability of a global multinational. So we have something here called the Lenovo Way, and it's basically at the heart of it's our DNA. And our kind of main belief is that as an organization, we do what we say and we own what we do. That's kind of how our DNA is captured. If those are the kind of things that excite you about being part of a fast-paced, entrepreneurial, high-growth organization with a can-do attitude, Lenovo's a great place to be.
That's fantastic. Pete, can you tell us why you're hiring?
Well, Peter, our business is growing. We have grown faster than the PC market for 9 straight quarters in a row, and we've been the fastest-growing PC company in the world for the last 5 quarters in a row. So with that, we're hiring about 150 new hires around the world across several different disciplines around operations, logistics, and supply chain.
And Robert, can you describe some of the roles you have available and what kinds of projects they will be working on?
Absolutely. The best way to describe our services business is one of transformation right now. So I think, as Pete mentioned, we're looking for type A, aggressive go-getters with a can-do mindset across all functional disciplines we have across services. Everything from strategy, inventory, vendor management, parts and logistics, call centers, project management, you name it, we pretty much have a need. And we're looking for people who are looking to join the company and start to design and create their legacy.
And Pete, what kind of qualities are you looking for in candidates? Who really succeeds at Lenovo?
Well, who really succeeds are people that can get things done, people that are highly motivated. We have a lot of work to do in the years ahead, and we want people that are self-starters, team players, and global thinkers.
Robert, can you tell us what some of the benefits employees can expect to receive at Lenovo?
Well, Peter, at Lenovo, we've got extremely competitive benefits, including medical benefits, retirement, aggressive salary, but even more aggressive bonus program that links into our meritocracy of when the company wins, we win. But on top of all of these standardized benefits, really what we've got the opportunity here is around career development. And I think, as Pete alluded to earlier, is growth. And that growth equals opportunity. So we've got a tremendous opportunity now to continue growing in our field. We've got 9 straight quarters of the highest growth in the market and 5 straight quarters of the fastest growing PC company in the world. That says something. And we are growing tremendously, and we need the talent to keep up. So really around career development, growth equals opportunity, and that's why we're here.
That's fantastic. So how can someone who's interested apply for these jobs? What's the best way of getting in touch with you?
Well, the best way is to go to our website, www.lenovocareers.com. And then once you get to the internal portal, there's some keyword searches that you want to make sure you search on things, functional areas of discipline like contact center or services in general. Right now we've got about over 60 jobs posted that are forecasting over the next kind of 4 to 6 months. So it's the best way to get to us. We're looking forward to seeing you.
That's great. I want to close by returning to what candidates most want to know. What's special about working for Lenovo? Pete, you guys sound really fired up.
Yeah, we really are, Peter, because, Lenovo is a $22 billion startup. It has a great entrepreneurial atmosphere, as Robert said. We're building a new kind of company, one that's filled with career opportunities, the ability to work with people in over 160 countries, and a company that's targeting to be the number one PC company in the world and built to last.
That's great. Well, we're out of time, but I'd like to thank both Pete and Robert for their time today.
Thank you, Peter. We enjoyed it.
Thank you, Peter.
Thanks. That will do it for this edition of Jobs and Pods. To see all the current openings at Lenovo, visit lenovocareers.com. We'll also place a link to these resources on Pete and Robert's feature page on jobsandpods.com. And remember, you can find us anywhere podcasts are, including iTunes, podcast.com, and even YouTube. And to stay current with all the great jobs, employers, and recruiters featured in our Jobcasts, check out our growing Jobs and Pods Facebook community and join in the conversation. Thanks for listening.